How to work at QuranMadeEasy.com. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. The software residing at QuranMadeEasy.com is related to online tutorials how to understand the Holy Quran in easy and effective way. Let's meet 19 items about these tutorials. Number 1. Objectives. Objectives of these tutorials are to know how the Arabic words are formed, to know the meaning of each word, to know the meaning of the group of words, to understand the meaning of the verse. We will visit each surah and attain these objectives. Number 2. Categories. In this website, we will discuss Quranic words in 5 categories. First category, names and words directly related to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Category 2, name of the prophets. Category 3, all other names. Category 4, helping words. Helping words are conjunction, preposition, pronoun, etc. For those 4 categories, we will learn each by small list. You can always visit this left panel and preview this list. The 5th category is verb and noun. This category of word is originated from root. Number 3, root. So the next question is, what is root? Root is an amazing concept. Root is the skeleton of Arabic words. Words of Quran originate mostly from 3-lettered words. Just by knowing one simple 3-lettered root, a vast combination of words can be understood. Our tutorials in this website will mainly revolve around roots. Number 4. Pattern. We will meet patterns. The patterns are added to roots and guide the meaning. We will study one set of patterns for verb, then another set for noun. We will visit each surah and learn these patterns. At the end of each lesson shows a demo how to work with that particular pattern. Number 5. Golden rule of verb. Traditionally, there are some rules to guide how to work with verb. This rule is part of the golden rules that we will be discussing soon. Down the road, we will meet golden rule of noun, golden rule of helping words, golden rule of phrase and verse. Number 6. Getting ready module. So far, we discussed all the topics that are required to start with Surah Al-Ikhlas. This is part of Getting Ready module. Let's summarize. We started with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, video lesson of category 1 words. We are reviewing this lesson how to navigate in this website. Next, we will see sequentially how Arabic words are formed, how verb and noun originate from root, and what is golden rule of verb. Number 7. Surah Al-Ikhlas. Well, after knowing the prerequisites, we will review each surah one at a time. The first surah is Surah Al-Ikhlas. As a first surah, we will learn lots of items. We will review 5 helping words, 3 lessons on verb, 1 lesson on phrase. It will start with checkpoint video. Checkpoint video summarizes what we learned before and what is coming ahead. These grammars will prepare with the current surah and the surahs that are coming ahead. Once you complete one surah, then you will understand how this website is organized. Number 8. Dashboard. Let's meet the dashboard. The current video will always be listed here. There will be mini introduction about the video next to it. You can always start the current course 3 ways. Number 1, from the thumbnail. Number 2, from the menu tree. Number 3, from the button below the comment. This engage band will also highlight about the current module or the course. There will be some additional information that can be accessed from the top toolbar. Number 9, menu tree. Let's review the menu tree. In this website, we will study one surah at a time. While we visit each surah, we will try to understand each word. Each word must be part of 5 categories of the word. If the word is a noun and a verb, we will review the pattern. The patterns which are new, we will discuss the phrase and the strategies of the verse. That means we are not only discussing the current surah, but we are building the grammar reserve that will help to understand other surahs that are coming in the future. All these concepts are reflected on the left menu. Each surah is one module. Current module will always be on top of the left panel. If you want to visit the old surah, you can always find these at Surah Archive. Number 10. Grammar Reserve. Repeating, as we visit each surah, we will know items about grammar elements. These items can be accessed individually from the Grammar Reserve. Category of words contains the link for 5 categories of word. Foundation contains the links for golden rules. Pattern of verb lists all the verb patterns in one place. Number 11. Web and video lesson. Learning process is sequential. All the links will be active once you visit each lesson. Also, if there is a play section, you can't go forward with the new lesson until you attempt the quiz. In this website, apply is the other word for the quiz. This is the typical page for video lessons. In one corner, there will be some message about the video. Then, on the left, there will be the outline of the current module. Once you are done watching one video, you can move to 3 different directions. You see one button for Web Tutorial. If this button is enabled, that means that the tutorial can also be available in web format. There will be another button labeled as Apply. If this button is enabled, that means the video tutorial is followed by quiz. What you just learned, you need to know how to apply. Until and unless you complete the apply section, you can't move to new item. Typically, the web tutorial will discuss one pattern at a time. For most of the videos, we have web tutorials. There are some students who love video tutorial. Some like to skim quickly through web tutorials. Both are okay. 12. Left panel. Let's meet the left panel, which contains 3 categories of the word. The list of patterns will also be listed on the left panel. Obviously, roots will be listed too. This left panel contains all the required info to make our journey easy. We just need to know how to use it. Number 13. Easy way. This website is designed in an easy way to help the busy folks. Feel no pressure memorizing the words and the rules. Let's understand first. You can always memorize later. This website can also be called Easy Quran for busy folks. Number 14. Facts. Over the course of time, we will meet lots of information that will be listed as the facts in the left panel. Other than this fact panel, there are no more heavy loaded documentation. 15. Verse 54, 1. وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. We have certainly made the Quran easy for remembrance. So is there any who will remember? Let's believe the certainty of the verse. Number 16. Quick study. There will be students who will diligently work with each quiz. For others, quick study is strongly encouraged. Quick study means you can skim lessons quickly or skip some quizzes. How do you know your quick study is good enough? If you are doing good with quizzes, please know you understood the concept. If you are doing good with the translation of the verse, your learning process is effective, even though you skipped and skimmed. You can always revisit the lesson if needed. Please know pattern guides the meaning, and the patterns are listed on the left panel. Quick study is perfectly okay time to time. Also, we need to translate around 6,000 verses. Definitely, we need to cut down time and other things and focus on sacred text and understanding through translating. We suggest work on first surah diligently. You will have an idea how surahs are studied in this website. Then you may decide if you want to do quick study or not. Reminding again, Quran is made easy for us. That means with little effort, we may understand the meaning of the word, the phrase, and ultimately the verse. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us. Number 17. Great Translators. At QuranMadeEasy.com, you will always have the opportunity to compare your draft with those of great translators. Work diligently and develop your own repository. At the bottom of the dashboard, you can track the progress of each surah. Initially, everything is set to 0. Number 18. YouTube channel. These video tutorials are also available on YouTube. We suggest you always log into the system at QuranMadeEasy.com to get proper guidance and to attain effective learning experience. Number 19. Salawat Plenty. We are studying here sacred text. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it as active worship. Let our worship always follow by salawat. The salawat are listed in the dashboard to remind that we need to recite it frequently. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.